All right, so here we have electricity, natural gas, and oil. So we have a 3 by 3 equation here. So it means we have to have a M that's going to be a 3 by 3. So it looks like we're going to have electricity, let's call it gas and oil, and electricity, gas, and oil. So production of $1 worth of electricity, which is our first uh, column basically, requires zero point 0.1 from natural gas, see, zero point 0.3 from electricity, so zero point 0.3, zero point 0.1 from natural gas, and zero point 0.2 from oil. And then we have natural gas requires inputs of zero point 0.3 electricity, zero point 0.1 natural gas, and zero point 0.2 from oil. And oil requires zero point 0.1 from each sector. Okay, so that's going to be what our M matrix look like. Now D, our demand, the final demand is going to be 25, 15, and 20. And that's billions of dollars from electricity, natural gas, and oil. And so what we need to find is what is X? Okay, well, let's go over and plug all that in. And so we'll do second matrix. Now we have to go over here. We have to edit. So now it's going to be a 3 by 3. And so now we have to put in that one at the bottom over here for our identity. And then we'll go over here and we'll edit this one, and it's going to be a 3 by 3 also. And that one we said it was a point 0.3, point 0.3, point 0.1. And then we had a point 0.1, point 0.1, point 0.1. And then we had point 0.2, point 0.2, and point 0.1. 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. And then our last thing, our D matrix is going to be now a 3 by 1. And we had 25, 15, 20. So 25, 15, and then 20. All right. So now let's clear all that. So now we're going to take A minus our matrix B. So that's I minus M. Now we're going to take the inverse of that, and we're doing this step by step to kind of show you if there's a singular matrix, we'll know what happened. It's not a singular, we can actually find the inverse of it. And now we're going to take that times our D matrix, which is 3, and that's going to give us our X, 53, 27, and 40. So, coming back over here, that gave us X was 53, 27, and 40. Now, what does that mean in terms of our problem? Well, electricity was going to be what? Well, that's going to be 53 billion. Then the next one was gas, and then the next one was oil. And then that was going to be 27 billion. And this one was going to be 40 billion. Okay. And so that's going to be our final kind of output here. So that's going to be the final demand, or the output for each sector to satisfy this demand. Okay, so that's how much output they're going to have. All right, so hopefully that helps you understanding. Find M, find D, then find X by taking I minus M, find the inverse of that, take it times D, get our X, and then interpret what that means based on what the problem does. All right, hopefully that helps you with this section.